Here's how to download and play Free Fire on your PC or laptop using an Android emulator. Free Fire is a mobile-only game, so you need an Android emulator to run it on a computer. LD Player is the recommended option. It is lightweight, free, and handles mobile games well. Open your browser and go to ldplayer.net. Click the Download button and run the installer once it finishes downloading. Follow the setup prompts and wait for LD Player to fully install and launch. Once LD Player is open, find the Play Store in the App Grid and sign in with your Google account. In the search bar, type Free Fire and look for the result from Garena International. Make sure the developer name matches to confirm you are downloading the official game and not a clone. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Once done, click Play and wait for any in-game updates to download. Sign in with your usual method, social network, or email, and you are ready to play. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.